Hi guys, it's Tracy, and today I'm back with another Boxycharm unboxing. If you are new to my channel, welcome. I hope that you enjoy the video. If you do, make sure to give it a thumbs up. And if you're a returning viewer, welcome back. I thank you so much for coming back. So if you don't know what Boxycharm is, it is a beauty subscription service, and it's kind of like a mystery box. You get the box and you don't really know what's coming. So if you don't like being surprised, then I would not recommend a subscription box for you. But the price increased this month, so this box is now $25. It has been $21, and they say that we're supposed to be getting better stuff, worth more money, $125 value or more. So we're gonna see if I think the $4 increase is worth it. So I have a referral code if you want to sign up for Boxycharm. I have it listed in the description box. I believe you get a free item, and I get 500 charms. I don't make any money off of it's not an affiliate code or anything. I just get charms, which they have like a little store you can buy stuff in sometimes, and it's equivalent to $5. So it helps if you want to use my code. If you don't, just go to boxycharm.com. So let's see, do I have any housekeeping that I need to do? The Chihuahua Symphony has been going off all morning. So you'll hear them for sure. So next month, hopefully I will have the premium box to unbox. I was not able to get it because I guess they charged my card at 9 o'clock Pacific Standard Time, which on October 31st, and they're not supposed to charge it till November 1st, and my money doesn't hit my account until midnight. So they said they charged me, and the charge didn't go through. Well, it didn't go through because it wasn't the first. So I missed out, and I tried, writing them and telling them this really sucks. Can't you just, help a girl out? I've been a subscriber for ages, da, 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 da. And they're just like, well, we put you on the list for next month. And I'm like, that doesn't help me get the Natasha Bloom and Glow palette. That's what I really wanted. So if you guys got the premium box and you don't want that palette, or you already have it and you want to sell it, or you want to gift it, whatever, let me know. I always have my P.O. box listed down below. If there's ever anything you want to send me a card. If you write to me, I'll write you back. I love writing letters, which, we don't do anymore. And before, all of this technology stuff, so I love writing letters. I have boxes of letters that my mom and I used to write back and forth when my husband was stationed in the Navy and we were in Florida for a while. So yeah, that's it. That's Boxycharm. Here is Mr. What? What? You're here to inspect the box? Okay, we'll let you inspect. Good. On my lips today, you guys, I went out of my comfort zone. I put this Physicians Formula. This is a bullet lipstick, and this was from their 80-year anniversary, I want to say. And this is in the shade Berry. It's just called Berry. On my nails, I have Kokie nail polish, and this is in the shade Enigma. It's like a really pretty dark gray. And then on my eyes, I have the Tati Beauty palette. And the glitter that's on my eyes is the pink one here. So that's how that turned out. And I think that's all. So let's get into the box and see if it's worth the extra money. Okay, the inside of the box is different. It's red here now. It just says #Boxycharm. This month's theme is Boxy Stellar. Let's see if the box is stellar. Okay, I got a Ultimate Coverage 24-hour foundation from Becca. And this is like a super full coverage, I think this is like really full coverage. I don't need ultimate coverage. Yeah, I hope that they don't send me this, because I don't think I'm gonna like that. But I guess you're supposed to pick the shade that is your match and then go online and let them know or something like that. So we'll see what happens with that. First thing I see here are these brushes. These were specially made for Boxycharm. They're kind of I don't know what material this is. Maybe a heavy duty plastic. My God, my little chihuahua will not stop. She was just like howling. And it's so funny. Let's see, this is a 2-piece brush set. And they say that these are $35 for 2 brushes. Ooh, and they're like super, super dense. I don't even know what I would use these for. Does it say what they're for? Nope, just says Boxycharm. Let's see. Create your fall favorite looks in total luxury with our first ever Boxycharm branded brush set. The large multi-purpose powder brush is perfect for liquids, creams, powders, or mineral products, and the foundation brush has an oval base to help with precise foundation placement and seamless blending. These ultra soft brushes are handcrafted, synthetic, and cruelty-free. This looks kind of small to be a foundation brush. I really don't know what I would use these for because they're super, super dense. I think that they would be, this one maybe if you like a brush for foundation, but I don't really know what I would use these for. If you guys got these and you have a use for them, can you let me know what your use is? And they came in this cute little plastic pouch or vinyl. I guess it's like a vinyl. That'd be kind of cool for travel. You could put all your your eye brushes in here if you don't already have something. So I don't know about those. This is one of the items that I got to pick. This is the Juice Beauty Stem Cellular Anti-Wrinkle Eye Treatment. So I could pick this or I could pick another product, and I didn't really want the other product. This is, how much is this? $50. A proprietary blend of fruit stem cells and vitamin C infused into organic antioxidant-rich botanical juices work to reduce the appearance of fine lines around the eyes and minimize the appearance of dark circles. I don't have dark circles, but I do have a few lines, so I will have to try that and let you know. You know, skincare takes a while to figure out. 2 sheet masks. These, they said this is $12. Like 12, like really? Vitamasques morning and evening eye mask set. There's a morning and a night one. Not, I wonder what the alternative product was in place of these, because these are not, to me, not like a high-end. It's supposed to be a high-end luxury type box. And I thought with picking the Juice product that's $50, and then as opposed to the other product that was like $90, I was thinking by getting this that you would be more likely to get better items in the box than someone who picked like the $100 item, but I guess not. And I got a Dose of Colors lipstick. I like Dose of Colors. What color is this? Flirty. They at least didn't send me a super bright pink color, but that, I don't know how they determine how they divvy up the items though, because you either got this or a Becca highlighter. A Becca highlighter is $38 and this is $18. So I don't understand how they you know, do how they figure out what to send to who. That's a really nice color. I would actually wear this color. Thank you, Boxycharm, for finally sending me a nude colored lipstick. And then the last item in the palette, in the box, is this palette by Dominique Cosmetics. And this is the Celestial Thunder palette. Has a nice mirror in it, and you get 8 shades. Let's swatch a few. It's really pretty. Nice. Ooh, really pretty. I like this turquoise. Nice. So that's a nice little palette. This was a Boxycharm exclusive too. And it says that that is $35. So let's add up the box. So far, to me, it doesn't really justify paying $4 more, considering I got, I don't know. Let's see how much this is. The palette is $35. Juice Beauty is $50. Dose of Colors is $18. The masks are $12. And the brush set is $35. So they said it's a retail of $150. I don't really think that this is $150 worth of stuff. I do like this palette, and I love that they finally sent me a nude. It's like a pinky nude, but finally a color that I'll actually wear. And then I requested this, so these 3 items are good. And I mean, even if I'm just gonna use these 3 items, the box is worth, you know, I guess it's worth 25 bucks. I just am not really happy with receiving masks, and then like I don't know how they justify sending someone a Becca highlighter that's 38 as opposed to a liquid lipstick that's 18. And then like I said, I'd be interested to know what the product people got if they didn't get these, because I mean, like I wouldn't pay, you know, for masks, and it's only $12. And the brushes, I'm not too sure of because they're super dense and I don't really know what I'll use them for. So I'll have to see what you guys say. If you got them, let me know. And then the little Becca color match system thing here. I hope they don't send me that ultimate coverage 24-hour foundation. I'm like, I put on there, I'm like a light, sheer, dewy kind of girl, not a strong, you know, super duper coverage. That'd be great. Like if I was still working when I was in nursing, I mean, that would be great because, you know, you sweat, you're running all over the place. So that would be good. But as for me now, I definitely don't wear like an ultimate full coverage concealer or foundation. So maybe it's just to kind of get a gauge on where you kind of fall in the spectrum as far as shade matching. I'm not sure. So we got a $150 box for 25 bucks. I think it's worth, you know, the 25 bucks. I don't think it was worth $4 more, as like this could have been a $21 box. There wasn't anything in the box that was like, oh my God, like look at this. They raised the price and look at what we got. Like that didn't happen. I was hoping that was gonna happen, that I was gonna be like, whoa, like, oh my God, this is like so, oh my God, $4 more, yay, it's totally worth it. But it's still worth $25, even though, you know, when you get a few duds, like you get a few duds, pass them along, ask somebody else if they want them. I have my daughter, her friends, so I can always find a use for anything that comes in the box, I guess. So that is the November Boxycharm. I hope that you guys did like the video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. It does help the channel to be, it's considered engagement. So by you clicking the thumbs up, even if you want to click the thumbs down button, it's all engagement. And if you comment, that's even more engagement. If you just want to leave me like a little hand wave or a heart or a dog, anything that you put, you know, that's all considered engagement, and it tells YouTube, their algorithm, that it shows that people are interested and, you know, there's engagement on your channel. So make sure that you do that for me. And if you made it this far in the video, thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys all have a beautiful day or night wherever you are, and I will catch you in the next one. Bye guys.